Introduction to Embedding Images in HTML5. HTML5 provides a straightforward way to integrate images into web content. The article provides a guide on how to incorporate images in HTML5. How to embed an image in HTML5. The HTML5 IMG element is used to embed images in a web page. S stands for the source, which is the URL or the location of the image file. The alt attribute provides alternative text that describes the image. Example, images image alt, a beautiful landscape. Image size control in HTML5. The size of an image can be controlled using the height and width attributes. These attributes define the height and width of the image in pixels. Maintaining the aspect ratio of images is crucial to prevent distortion. Example, IMBRC equals images alt a beautiful landscape width 500 height 600. Common pitfalls and tips in embedding images in HTML5 always include the alt attribute for accessibility. Ensure the file path in the SRC attribute is correct to avoid broken image links. Avoid uploading very large images as it can slow down web pages' load time. Remember to close the IMG tag with a trailing slash. Conclusion: effectively using images in HTML5 involves providing alternative text, controlling the size, and avoiding common mistakes. These tips and tricks equip developers to use images in HTML5 projects efficiently.